You know that bloated, sluggish feeling after eating? Yeah. That's not normal. Your gut microbiome is probably damaged, and honestly, your modern diet is to blame. We're talking ultra-processed foods, sugar overload, preservatives. Basically the opposite of how humans used to eat. Now here's the wild part. There's a place on Earth where people live longer, healthier lives, with way lower rates of chronic disease, and their secret might come down to something most of us barely think about: fermented food. Today, we're breaking down how traditional Okinawan fermentation, like awamori byproducts and bitter melon pickles, can actually repair your gut, down to the molecular level. Context: the Okinawan longevity paradox. Okinawa, Japan is one of the world's famous blue zones, places where people consistently live past 100. And it's not just about lifespan. It's about health span. Low rates of heart disease, lower inflammation, better metabolic health. And one thing shows up again and again in their diet: fermented foods. But here's the real question. What's actually happening inside their gut? The modern gut problem. Let's zoom in. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, your microbiome. And it's supposed to be diverse, balanced, and resilient. But modern diets? They wreck that balance. Highly processed foods reduce microbial diversity. Artificial additives irritate your gut lining. And over time, you can develop something called leaky gut. That means tiny gaps form in your intestinal barrier, letting toxins slip into your bloodstream. The result? Chronic inflammation, immune dysfunction, low energy, brain fog, digestive issues. And this is exactly where traditional fermentation comes in. Okinawan fermented foods overview. 2 standout examples from Okinawa. First, awamori-kasu. This is the fermented rice residue left after making awamori, a traditional spirit. Second, Goya pickles, made from bitter melon. Now, these aren't just healthy foods. They're living ecosystems, packed with naturally occurring probiotics. Fermented over long periods, developing complex microbial communities you just don't get in modern diets. Microbial deep dive. Let's break it down. Awamori-kasu contains lactic acid bacteria, yeast-derived bioactive compounds. Think lactobacillus and beneficial yeast compounds working together. These microbes produce substances that directly support gut health and reduce inflammation. Now, bitter melon pickles. They're a powerhouse combo. You've got plant polyphenols from the bitter melon, fermented microbes. That's what scientists call a symbiotic, a mix of prebiotics and probiotics that amplify each other's effects. How this actually reduces inflammation? Let's simplify the science. Pathway 1, short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. When these microbes ferment food in your gut, they produce SCFAs. These feed your gut lining, reduce inflammatory signals, strengthen your colon cells. Pathway 2, immune modulation. Your gut is deeply connected to your immune system. Probiotics interact with something called GALT, gut-associated lymphoid tissue. That's basically your immune command center. Result? Less overreaction, more balance, lower inflammation across your body. Pathway 3, polyphenol activation. Fermentation actually enhances plant compounds. So those antioxidants in bitter melon? They become more bioavailable, more effective at reducing oxidative stress, rebuilding your gut barrier. Here's where it gets really interesting. Your gut lining is held together by proteins like occludin and claudin. Think of them like tight seals between cells. Fermented foods help upregulate these proteins. Translation? They literally help repair the gaps in your gut lining. They also increase mucin production, your gut's protective layer. Reduce harmful endotoxins like LPs entering your bloodstream. Less leakage equals less inflammation. Modern diet versus fermentation. Picture this, a processed food diet. It's like a deserted wasteland. Low diversity. Fragile ecosystem. Now compare that to a fermentation-rich diet. It's a rainforest. Dense. Diverse. Thriving. One breaks your gut down. The other rebuilds it. Evidence-based blueprint. So how do you actually apply this? Step 1. Start small. Add 1 to 2 servings of fermented foods daily. Step 2. Combine with fiber. Your good bacteria need fuel. Think vegetables, legumes, whole foods. Step 3. Cut back on ultra-processed foods. Otherwise you're undoing the benefits. Step 4. Stay consistent. Microbiome changes take weeks, not days. And this isn't just theory. Research from places like Harvard Medical School and the National Institutes of Health shows fermented foods can increase microbial diversity and reduce inflammatory markers. Even a Stanford study found that a fermented food-rich diet significantly improved gut microbiome diversity in just 10 weeks. Modern application. Now, you don't need to live in Okinawa. This isn't about copying their diet perfectly. It's about the principle. You can use sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt, miso, or even try DIY fermentation at home. The goal is simple: restore microbial diversity. Conclusion. Here's the takeaway: ancient fermentation isn't just tradition. It's microbiome engineering. Your gut isn't broken. It's just missing the microbes it evolved with. And once you bring them back, everything starts to change. So now I'm curious, what fermented foods do you eat? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stick around. We're just getting started.